Hello again, it's K-Fun with Joe, and today we're going to be making gluten-free, lactose-free pancakes. So come on and join me for some of Joey's pancakes. See ya! Here's all the ingredients I will be using to make the pancakes. Most of it is optional, so I leave it up to you on what you want to do with the optional ones, and the other stuff I will be using because it's essential to make the pancakes. Okay, here we go. Well, here we go. I usually give it about two, almost 3 minutes on one side, then flip it over for another 2 minutes, and there you go, perfect pancake. I don't use a regular fry pan. I use a crepe pan. A pan specifically made for crepes, but I've mastered the way of doing them on the crepe pan, making pancakes. So, if you like, you can try it as well. It works for me. As you can guess, it's one of my signature ones that I do, the heart shape, and I especially do this one for Clara. So I'm going to surprise Clara with this heart-shaped pancake. I know she likes them round, but on occasion, when I do them, I always make sure I do a heart one.